You are seeing someone. Eliab, you said you're not seeing anybody. Lately, every time you dey go mainland, what have I done to you? Onyinye, or whatever you call yourself, I don't have any issue with you. I don't have any quarrel with you. But I just want to tell you that the man you are with, I've sacrificed so much for him already. Please, stay away from him. I beg in the name of God. I don't want to have any issue with anybody. Let me face the one I'm facing. Let me fight the one I'm still fighting. Earlier, I don't want to say much. See, I need an explanation on this video because I don't know wetin dey go on. Don't tell me you're ungrateful. Don't tell me, say this is what I've been going on behind my back. I left the house this morning. I told you that I'm coming to my mom's place. You said you want to go to mainland. I said, okay, fine. Drop me off. You drop me off. Then, what is this video I'm seeing online? I don't understand. What is this video I'm seeing online? Guys, you guys should please manage this camera. The phone I'm using to make this video right now, I'm supposed to use to make video, is off. So I can't wait. Like, it dey boil my mind. I don't understand. Earlier, what's the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this video? I don't get it. Is this the mainland you've been going to? Is this the mainland you've been going to every time you are going to mainland? As I'm talking to you guys, this man is in mainland. See, I don't want to say much. I don't really want to say much because I'm a private person. I know they do saga. Like, I don't know how to come online to start sagging my man or Moku can't start to dey explain or whatever. But at this point, don't push me. Don't push me. I'm in my mom's place. I did my mom's place. They send me video. They've been sending me this video. Eliab, what is going on? Because one posting this now is because I saw this on social media. Someone, like 5 people have sent me this particular video. How long have this been going on? That is what I don't understand. How long? And don't tell me you are an ungrateful person. Don't tell me this is how you're going to pay me back for everything I've done for you. My mom have been bullied online. I've been bullied online. I've received so many insults. Earlier, God, I don't want to cry. I just don't want to cry. Earlier, what's the meaning of this? Not like I don't want people to feel like I'm crying for a man. No, I'm not. What is the meaning of this? I left the house this morning. What's the meaning of this? What have I done wrong to you? Eliab, I've been so nice to you. I've been so faithful to you. I do everything within my power to make you happy. I sacrifice everything to make you happy. I left my boyfriend just to be with you. Eliab, tell me this is not true.